Cholesterol, healthy eating tips. Summary. Read the full fact sheet. Cholesterol is a fatty substance found in your blood. There are two main types, known as good cholesterol, HDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL. To reduce your levels of bad cholesterol, choose a variety of foods from the 5 food groups, and limit sugary, fatty and salty takeaway meals and snacks. Replace foods containing saturated fats and trans fats with those that contain polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats by choosing healthier fats and oils such as olive or canola oil, nuts, seeds, fish and avocado. Include foods containing fiber by choosing vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts and seeds every day. Have your cholesterol and triglycerides checked by your doctor regularly. On this page, types of cholesterol. How is cholesterol measured? What causes high cholesterol? Cholesterol and healthy eating. Healthy eating tips to lower cholesterol. Dietary fiber. Dietary fats. Unhealthy fats. Healthy fats. Triglycerides in your blood. Lowering triglycerides. Treatment for high cholesterol. Where to get help. Cholesterol is a fatty substance produced naturally by your liver and found in your blood. Cholesterol is used for many different things in your body, but it can become a problem when there is too much of it in your blood. Some foods contain cholesterol. This is called dietary cholesterol and it is found only in animal products. For most people, eating foods high in dietary cholesterol only has a small influence on their blood cholesterol. High levels of cholesterol in your blood are mainly caused by eating foods high in saturated fats and trans fats, and not including foods with unsaturated fats and with fiber. Types of cholesterol. The two main types of cholesterol are low-density lipoprotein, LDL, also known as bad cholesterol because it can add to the buildup of plaque, fatty deposits, in your arteries and increase your risk of coronary heart disease. High-density lipoprotein, HDL, also known as good cholesterol because it can help to protect you against coronary heart disease. How is cholesterol measured? Most people with high cholesterol feel perfectly well and often have no symptoms. The best way to find out if your cholesterol is high is to have a blood test, known as a lipid panel or profile. Visit your GP to determine whether you need to lower your cholesterol level and what action to take. GPs can also do a heart health check that calculates your heart disease and stroke risk. Cholesterol. Some causes of high blood cholesterol include low intake of foods containing healthy fats. Healthy fats tend to increase the good, HDL, cholesterol. High intake of foods containing unhealthy fats, saturated fats and trans fats, such as fatty meats, full-fat dairy products, butter, coconut oil, palm oil and most deep-fried takeaway foods and commercially baked products, such as pies, biscuits, buns and pastries. Foods high in trans fats include most commercially baked products and deep-fried takeaway foods. Low intake of foods containing fiber. Foods that are high in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, can reduce the amount of LDL cholesterol in your blood. Include fiber-containing foods in your diet by choosing vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts and seeds every day. Cholesterol in food. Dietary cholesterol. This has only a small effect on LDL, bad cholesterol. Saturated fats and trans fats in food have a much greater effect. You can also eat up to 7 eggs a week as part of a healthy, balanced diet low in saturated and trans fats, without increasing your risk of heart disease. Genetics. Your family history may affect your cholesterol level, also known as familial hypercholesterolemia. Some people will have high cholesterol even if they follow a healthy, balanced diet low in saturated fats and trans fats. These people may need to take cholesterol-lowering medicine as prescribed by their doctor. Cholesterol and healthy eating. What we eat has an impact on our cholesterol levels and can help reduce our risk of disease. Try to eat a wide variety of foods from each of the 5 food groups. Not only does this help to maintain a healthy and interesting diet, but it provides essential nutrients to the body. The Heart Foundation recommends plenty of vegetables, fruits and whole grains. A variety of healthy protein sources, especially fish and seafood, legumes, such as beans and lentils, nuts and seeds. Smaller amounts of eggs and lean poultry can also be included in a heart-healthy diet. If choosing red meat, make sure it is lean and limit to 1 to 3 times a week. Unflavored milk, yogurt and cheese. Those with high blood cholesterol should choose reduced fat varieties. Healthy fat choices, nuts, seeds, avocados, olives and their oils for cooking. herbs and spices to flavor foods, instead of adding salt. Also, be mindful on how much you are eating and whether you are filling up on unhealthy foods. Portion sizes have increased over time and many of us are eating more than we need, which can lead to obesity and increase our risk of cardiovascular disease. Ideally, a healthy plate would include servings of 1/4 protein, 1/4 carbohydrates and half vegetables. Serving size can vary depending on age, gender and specific nutrition needs.